In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the average score in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to calculate the average. This can be any worksheet that contains a list of scores, grades, or other numbers you want to summarize. In this example, the sample data is already prepared in cells A1 through A6, so everything is ready to use. Now, to calculate the average score, click into cell B2. This is where the result will appear. In that cell, type an equal sign, followed by the word average, then an opening parenthesis, the range A2 through A6, and finally a closing parenthesis. So the full formula should read equals average, open parenthesis, A2 colon A6, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look at the numbers in that range and calculate their arithmetic mean, which is just another way of saying the average. It's one of the quickest and most reliable ways to work with score data in Excel, especially when you want a result without doing the math manually. If you need to adjust the formula, that's easy to do. For example, if your scores are stored in a different range, you can simply replace A2, A6 with the correct cell range. If you want to average only certain cells instead of one continuous range, you can replace that range with individual cell references separated by commas. That gives you more flexibility when your data isn't arranged in a single block. Also, if you later add more scores below A6, keep in mind that you'll need to update the formula's range so the new values are included in the calculation. That's an important habit, because if the range stays the same, Excel will only average the original cells and ignore anything new you add afterward. Once the formula looks correct, press enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the result and display it in cell B2. In this example, Excel returns 80. That means the average of the scores in the selected range is 80. And that's it. You've successfully found the average score in Excel using the average formula. This is a simple but very useful function to know, especially if you regularly work with test scores, survey results, or any kind of numeric data.